Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geek and welcome to another video in my PC build series. This is a very important component in the build, the graphics card. And this is the MSI Radeon R9 290X Gaming OC Edition graphics card. Twin Frozer 4 thermal designs, so some really good cooling on here. And again, if you've watched the other videos in this series, the black and red design of this really does match well, so it's going to look absolutely superb inside the case. Now, some of the specifications on here is that it's got 4 GB of GDDR5 memory, 4K resolution support, PCI Express 3, DirectX 11.2 capable, OpenGL 4.3 support in here as well, and some absolutely superb software that backs up how this graphics card works. Now, with regards to connectivity, we've got DisplayPort, HDMI and 2 DVI-D ports. I'm going to be connecting via the DisplayPort to support the 4K resolution at 60 Hz. It looks absolutely superb, really excited to get this into the build. This is the MSI Radeon R9 290X Gaming GPU. Please do watch all the videos in the series. There's a link to the playlist in the video description. And don't forget to watch the final video where you're going to see all of the benchmarks and see just how this performs. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see another video of mine, please do click the annotation on the top of your screen now. And also, you can click the annotation on the bottom of your screen and subscribe to the Geek and channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all again next time.